नमस्कार, मैं दीपांकर सागर, मैं नौकरी छोड़ रहा हूँ। Where everybody is शिक्षक।
तो लगते हुए वो बीच में आपने पकड़ लिया, तो लगता है कि जैसे मैं आए वो निकल गए हैं, but it's just about going from one mark to the other.
नहीं, आराम से बोलो।
वो तो only Solo। वो मिलेंगे वो अभी।
अच्छा, वो पुराना हो चुका है। I am the bait.
Why are you getting me out of the house? और 5-5 साल हमारी फिल्में चलती थी।
I am done with this. I'm sorry, यार।
Hi guys, this is Kanchi and you're watching this on iDiva, and today's breaking news is that I am in a talking stage with the cast of The Broken News, none other than Shreya, Sonali and Jaideep sir.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
How cute are you?
Thank you. So are you.
Oh.
So are all of you, and I'm so happy that this is a Gen Z show and you all are dressed impeccably to the Gen Z style.
Only dressed. Don't worry.
Are we on fleek right now?
You
We
are
are-
on fleek.
We are on
We are forced.
All of you are looking very Gen Z, very
Thank you.
on point for the show. So let's begin. Congratulations on The Broken News and season 2. I cannot wait to watch all of you as journalists because it's like wow.
Did you see the season 1?
Yes, I have.
Ooh.
And I was waiting for season 2, and now
Okay.
can't wait to binge watch it in one night and then wait for season 3.
Wow.
But I will start with Jaideep sir. You have played such intense and heavy roles, like so in The Broken News as well. How was it when you worked for three of us, where you were in like your soft boy era and you were just like fun, easy?
Soft
Just
boy
like
era.
that. Just like that. But yeah, it's two different stories, two different characters. I'm sure Dipankar is also having fun. He's not serious about. You find him very serious. He is having, मजे कर रहा है वो अपने लाइफ में पूरा. But because of two different characters, that's how they are. So you are supposed to play them like that. So
Okay. And we love to see you, Sonali, back. So I'm so happy to see you on screen. And it's like I just cannot have enough. So everything you do, I'm like, I just keep wanting to see you and so much more. But I want to ask you, how are things different from filmmaking to promotions to PAPs, everything from 90s versus now? Things you like, dislike.
Some things are very good. In fact, my husband always told me that, why aren't you getting back to work? He kept telling me, and I was like, why are you getting me out of the house? He's like, but जिस तरह से आप 90s में काम करते थे, the way you liked working, that's how the working is now, and you will really enjoy being on sets now. And so he kept telling me that, you will really enjoy, just go back to work. I was, of course, on sets by doing the talent shows and all of that, but fiction is different. So, of course, that is amazing. Technology has changed a lot, and so the way dressing, the makeup is much more real. That's amazing. What else has changed? I love the fact that अभी organized हो गया है in a way कि सबके departments अलग हैं और वो अपनी responsibility कर रहे हैं. So I don't have to be responsible for everything. नहीं तो जो मेरी continuity हुआ करती थी, I was responsible for it and I was looking into it. और 5-5 साल हमारी फिल्में चलती थी and you knew the continuity and you remembered it also. I don't know how we did it, but we did. We knew exactly what our continuity was. But you have people handling those departments, and which is very freeing. तो टाइम आपको मिलता है, आपका जो काम आप कर रहे हो ना, you enjoy it a lot more. So all that I'm really enjoying. I love the fact कि अभी सेट पे हमेशा आपको कोई जर्नलिस्ट बैठे हुए हैं, ऐसे नहीं होता है. अभी आप प्रमोशंस कर रहे हैं, जो है वो एक टाइम है. So I know कि आज अगले 10 दिन मैं प्रमोशंस कर रही हूँ. I'm interacting with journalists. मैं mentally prepared हूँ. Then मैं irritate नहीं होती हूँ कि यार अभी मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ और आप आके मुझसे ये सवाल पूछ रहे हो. So for them also, वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं. So that all that is falling into place, and I enjoy that bit of it.
And what's one thing you dislike? That you like more back then?
I think मुझे और काम करने की जरूरत है. Then I will know what I dislike. फिलहाल नया है ना, just आई हुई हूँ वापस, तो सब अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि I'm so excited I'm back.
Yeah, so are we. And because you're on journalists, I saw that there was a PAP video of you entering a reception party, and there was Jaya and Jaya Bachchan ma'am and Shweta Bachchan, and they, I think it got like there were 2-3 people who like overlapped the thing, and like Paps and the media, I think, do you think they blow things out of proportion? Because when I was researching for this and all that, they were like, oh, but they are not happy to have her. And I'm like, then why would they get clicked with her if they were not happy to have her? There is no compulsion like that. So do you think as journalists that you also played now and in real life, do you think media does blow things out of proportion?
I don't think that is journalism. So that's just social media and that's just memes. और कोई भी चीज अगर मीम वर्ती हो जाती है तो it's used. तो अगर आपको सही पता भी हो कि ये नहीं है लेकिन आप जानते हो कि इसका हम मीम बना सकते हैं तो आप उसको वो ट्विस्ट दे देते हो. तो ये क्रिएटिव है, कंटेंट क्रिएशन है, एंटरटेनमेंट है, ये जर्नलिज्म तो है नहीं. जब भी आप किसी फंक्शन में जाते हो तो एक पूरी आर्मी होती है पैपराजी की, आप की टेप्स लगी हुई होती हैं कि आप यहाँ रुकेंगे, वहां रुकेंगे, फिर आप निकल जाएंगे. तो पहली जगह खड़े हुए, आगे बढ़े, तब किसी ने बोला कि आपका सोलो चाहिए, सोलो किया, आप वहां पे आए, तब तक वो आगे वाले मार्क पे जा रहे थे, तो लगते हुए वो बीच में आपने पकड़ लिया, तो लगता है कि जैसे में आए वो निकल गए हैं. But it's just about going from one mark to the other. And and also कुछ stereotypes होते हैं जो लोगों को perpetuate करना भी अच्छा लगता है. And where Jayanti is concerned, I have always had, she has only given me love, and I have nothing but utmost love and respect for her. And she has only given me love till date.
Luckily, people watching today online, they can easily identify when something is done just for clickbait and when something, in fact, just like you realize this is so silly.
Yeah.
People, even in the comments, often say, why are you guys doing this? This is so silly. You're just trying to do it.
अच्छा, पर मैं comments पढ़ती नहीं हूँ ना, तो I don't know.
But I'm just saying that sometimes it actually fails. The strategy fails when you're trying to twist things.
Yeah, true. But you have said that you have never used your star status to get work. Do you think that there are people who do that?
I don't think I said star status to get work. I meant that when I started off in the industry, I didn't necessarily use my parents to make phone calls is what I meant.
Oh, okay.
I feel like, look, everybody has their own journey as actors, and I don't think there's a question of judgment in this, you know, because you're entitled to have your own journey. My first film, actually, Marathi film, was with my father. It was directed by him. But the approach was a little different. Is that better or lesser than someone else's approach? No, it's not. That was just my approach. I just didn't ever come from an entitled space. I wanted my work to speak for itself. It's been a step-by-step journey. So, but I don't judge people who've done that, because eventually it's all about being here in the longer game. And you may get an opportunity, but you may not be able to keep it, right? So for me, it was always important. I didn't want a 5-year career. I wanted a 50-year career. Yeah. So my focus was on that.
And there's also something like my father keeps telling me when I get stressed that I lose out on this and I lose out on that. And he keeps saying that whatever is meant for you, you will have it. No matter if people are ready to snatch it from you, but if it's meant for you, it will come your way. So breathe a little.
Yeah.
Totally. Yeah, but moving on to a quick rapid fire that we will all play with you. Okay, so if these co-stars of yours were hypothetically arrested, what would you assume that they have been arrested for? Okay, I'll start with you, sir. Okay. Alia.
Alia?
Can we all answer together?
Yeah.
Please, maybe Alia would be arrested for being so good that she's getting the best scripts. So then it's like, okay, Alia, you're getting the best scripts. Now someone else is going to get a chance.
Because of being super cute.
Yeah.
Okay. Kareena.
For being super sassy. She's amazing.
Shah Rukh Khan. And all three of you have worked with her.
Oh my gosh.
You can't. Dawn को पकड़ना मुश्किल
है.
11 मुल्कों की पुलिस नहीं पकड़ पाई उनको.
That's true.
You can't arrest Shah Rukh Khan.
That would be a sansani, a rumor.
ठीक है. Then Saif Ali Khan.
Arrested for what would Saif be arrested for?
Sense of humor. He's very funny.
Maybe if he made like a fun cheek, because he is very witty. Maybe he made like a cheeky comment and someone didn't like it. So yeah.
Okay. No, like I said, he should be arrested for his sense of humor. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. And Ali Fazal.
Ali is tired of answering the question कि Mirzapur release कब होगा, so maybe he got frustrated and spun someone and
Okay. One thing all of you hate being asked in interviews.
these questions.
Which ones? Did I ask you?
I know, no.
Question you hate?
बहुत सारे हो गए अब तो लिस्ट बढ़ती जा रही है दिन ब दिन
आपको एक दूसरे के साथ काम करके कैसा लगा? Because imagine if someone said बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा and you're sitting there. No.
Yeah.
Jaideep, what's your answer?
I think ये सवाल पूछना चाहिए और हमको थोड़ी सनसनी पैदा करनी चाहिए.
I know. कि
श्रेया के साथ काम करके कैसा लगा? बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगा.
सोनाली, oh my God.
सोनाली
अब तो ये सवाल भारी हो गया है
हाँ.
ऐसा कौन सा सवाल है जो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता
ये भी लिस्ट में मैंने अपडेट कर दिया आपके.
जी
She changed the questions now based on what.
I'll change. Okay.
तो did we answer the question
No, we
finally?
didn't. We've been beating around the bush.
यही कि आपको ब्रोकन न्यूज करके कैसा लगा? ना?
Okay. If you could give a truth serum to anybody in the industry, who would you give it to and what would you ask?
Truth serum.
You know, it's definitely an answer I'll not give in front of the camera. So.
हाँ मुझे जानना ही नहीं
नहीं डेफिनेटली जानना है लेकिन ये कैमरास के सामने और माइक होते हुए तो कभी नहीं.
Got it.
I'm still thinking, so I'll answer this in the end. Okay, you can continue your question. Yeah.
And you, sir?
आई थिंक शाहरुख सर ये जो पूरा ये जो पर्सोना है ये जो चार्म है ये एनर्जी जो है वो कहाँ से आती है? वो जेन्युइनली जानना चाहता हूँ कि वो कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं इतना कुछ एक आदमी अपने जीवन में. मुझे नहीं लगता इतना आसान हैंडल कर पाना और इतने ईज के साथ इतने स्माइल के साथ इतने चार्म के साथ.
True.
You know
आपको
what?
मेरे आंसर तो बता देना. Yes.
Maybe I feel like maybe I would have the truth serum because I feel like there are a lot of things I may not be able to say right now and which I want to say, but I feel like I'd like to
Dude,
see
is
what
that
really-
about us?
No. Just generally, you know what I'm saying?
No.
Something
We
that-
don't know what you're saying. This sounds very dodgy to
Then
me.
we
This
only
sounds like she wants to tell something about us,
No,
Jenny.
I'm mad.
It definitely sounds like
What
that.
sunsini you've come with her today, Amina? Full
Listen.
sunsini mode.
Doesn't it feel like that?
No.
It fully feels like that. कि मैं truth serum लेके, you know, I don't know what all I've not been able to speak. ऐसी आंखें करके वो बोल रही है. Obviously हम ही तो हैं इधर बैठे हुए. हम ही तो है ना इधर बैठे हुए.
I mean in general, like in life. Yeah.
Okay. When was the last time you cried and why?
My grandfather was unwell recently and it really stressed me out, so I cried. He's fine now. That's it.
When did you cry, Jaideep? I want to know when did you cry. You can't tell that it was on the set, huh?
4-5 दिन पहले ऐसी कुछ फैमिली
इतनी इशू हो गई कि आपको रोना पड़ा.
नहीं मैं हर चौथे दिन रो लेता हूँ ऐसा कुछ नहीं मेरा रोना यूं निकलता है.
I know Sonali की आंखों में पानी था on the second day of promotions जब हम इतना थक गए थे. We were really tired. I'm so tired. And she had tears in her eyes. है ना?
I was very close to crying, yeah.
Okay. If you were a journalist in real life,
Mhm.
what rumors would you like to start about the following people? About Jaideep? Sir.
अभी यार हम लोग कहते हैं कि he looks so tough that हम कहते हैं कि यार ये ना हर 2 दिन में रोता है. ये रूमर हम स्टार्ट कर सकते थे लेकिन अब पता चला कि ये तो ट्रूथ हो गया.
I'll say that Jaideep, the rumor spread is that Jaideep has decided to start his own talk show because he hates interviews. So maybe I would he hates interviews. So I'll say Jaideep has decided to start a talk show where he's calling some people from the industry and he's going to grill them with like questions, which he'll never do.
I will watch it, but if you start.
Yeah. I'll also watch it.
JD show.
Show.
Yeah.
Okay. Sonali, if you had to start a rumor.
That Sonali and Shreya are doing a remember buddy cop film? We spoke about it. We're doing like an action film, something really cool, coming of age story.
A road film we would call it.
Yeah, a road trip. We
On the
selfishly made this about our work.
no, on the run.
On the run.
On the run.
Two
film.
criminals on the run.
No, maybe it could be anybody on the
Okay.
run. Maybe not criminals.
Okay.
On the run.
On
film.
the run. Two women on the run. We don't know why.
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone write that script, guys.
Okay. And Govinda. If there's a rumor about him that has to start. And you are a
गोविंदा the
उनके बारे में rumor अगर हमें कुछ
But हम उनके बारे में
actor
क्यों rumor
Mr.
start
गोविंदा.
करें?
no,
Suddenly
in a fun way. She's just saying something fun.
okay.
I love to watch him dance. So maybe that he has another new song coming up where we can see him dance.
ये रूमर होगा कि गोविंदा सर ने जो आज तक फिल्मों में डांस किया सब AI से किया गया था.
I love this.
I love the rumor.
Love,
I love
it. An Instagram trend that you cannot tolerate.
Oh anything. Everything and anything.
I love this. Gen Zs always make fun, and we are very accepting of the fact that all of us are very negative in life. So it's like we have hater energy and we love it. We are here for it, and I feel that on
No, I don't hate.
no hate. Why hate? I don't mean hate, but I don't like interviews. I don't like this question. I don't like Instagram.
So you're actually very Gen Z in
Yeah.
that being,
Yeah.
huh?
Oh, I am.
Without
Yeah.
realizing you're Gen Z.
It's called
Right.
it's called the hater energy.
Yeah, I hate that.
All right. I don't hate.
on everything.
Yeah, you don't hate, but it's not about hating. It's called hater energy.
Jedi.
अभी zombie
अच्छा,
हो
आप
गया
बताओ,
तो थोड़ी zombie
अच्छा,
बन
आप एक
गए.
बात बताओ। Instagram पे कौन सा ऐसा ट्रेंड है जिसको आप पसंद करते हो?
आप समझ नहीं रहे हो, वो आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रही है।
हाँ, दिया ना मैंने।
हाँ, चलिए।
हाँ, जब when you मतलब so sick मतलब बीमार नहीं हो यार, ये compliment हो गया. वैसे ही hate
Nice.
is a
What was
compliment.
the question though?
God knows we lost the question.
Not tolerate.
Cannot. You know what really sucks?
I can't bear making reels, which Priya keeps making us do.
1 minute, open our social media.
I did
Open
see a
your
lot of
social
reels
media.
that you make.
Because this girl is like after you to
Our
it.
social media.
I
Our
have.
social media team is always there. She's quite with it. Yeah. है कि नहीं?
They are frustrated with me. They are like, कुछ नहीं करते. You had to do this, and I'm like, no.
I feel like some songs that I really love, sometimes the reels use it so many times that after a point I don't want to listen to this song.
Yeah, they ruin.
They ruin songs,
Yeah.
I feel. So, yeah. I feel like songs need to release for a month. It should not come on Instagram. And then after that, you can sort of
Yeah, like you
overdo
like
it.
to gatekeep your favorite stuff, and you don't want to share it with the world where everybody is talking about.
शिक्षक शुक हो
Like
जाए ना.
Premika. Yes, yes.
Where everybody is शिक्षक शुक.
Remember?
Oh, I do remember
really?
that.
Yeah, the
Remember we had
minute
done
लगे
it?
थे।
I don't
3
know
मिनट
where
लगे थे
it
मुझे
is.
समझने में कि ये करना क्या है इसका.
Yeah. Actually,
Now
It was
I
hilarious.
You were saying Premika.
I said Premika, I love that song,
Yeah.
but now everybody knows it. I mean, people knew it even then.
Knew it.
Which one? Which one?
Premika,
अच्छा.
वो जो भी reels पे आ रहा है.
But now it's so much that when I listen to it, I only think of reels.
No,
And
no,
I'm
but
like,
nothing can beat Chit Chat Shook.
शिक्षक शुक.
Where did it originate from?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
It's the worst thing ever.
सीजन 1 के प्रमोशन में इसने नचाया हमें. क्या था वो?
Jiggle Wiggle.
हाँ.
Do you remember? I wanna jiggle wiggle.
Yeah.
This, so I posted the BTS version of it, which actually people really enjoyed because I was doing it and they were cutely failing at it, and Jenny was like, "What are you making me do? I want to leave." But it was really cute.
Okay. Now I am giving you a very fun activity to do. So I am going to start a hook. Like I'm going to give you a hook and I'm going to start say a line. But
I'm going to give you a hook and you will have to do Shik Shak Shook.
that yes, I'm going to give you a hook and you all are going to do shik shak shook. बट बेसिकली मैं आपको कुछ जेंजी वर्ड्स दे रही हूँ और आपको जैसे आप जो ब्रोकन न्यूज में हो जर्नलिस्ट हो वैसे ही आपको बात करनी है इस बात के बारे में जो मैं आपको बताऊंगी लेकिन जेंजी वर्ड्स यूज करते हुए ठीक है
Oh my god, this is very complex.
जेंजी वर्ड्स आर गर्ली पॉप you use it like oh this girly pop I love her like that
What does it mean?
What?
girly pop it's just a way to say like babe
अच्छा.
like girly pop
Girly pop.
What is Bay?
Babe.
Do you know?
Bay is babe.
No.
No?
Before
Tell me.
anyone else.
Before
Eh?
anyone else.
Before anyone else.
Okay. Before anyone else. I am the bay.
No, you're the babe.
I am the bay for myself.
Self love.
Self-babe.
Then okay, there's girly pop. Then there is a situationship. Situationship is the stage before a relationship. Then there's spooky. Spooky is also a very cute way to call somebody. Like you're my pookie.
You're looking like a little
Pooky. मुझे ना spooky सुनाई दिया.
Yeah, don't
Pookie.
confuse spooky and pooky.
Then there is
Pookie or Pukey?
My pooky is so pukey.
They're very kind.
it's okay. All of you are in your slay era.
Slayer. Okay, that we got.
Slay era is like you are slaying, so you're in your.
Why are you
slay
looking
era.
shocked? She's
Leera. क्या बोला आपने?
Slayer. You're Slayer. Don't say that.
यार मैं बहुत बूढ़ा फील कर रहा हूँ अपने आप को.
Slayer. Yeah, we're slaying with the release of our
Yeah.
series.
Then there's
Do not confuse it with Leira.
Yeah. Because that would not sound very good.
then there is Gorgina.
Gorgina.
Yeah.
Yeah, Gorgina.
you're-
Like gorgeous.
Yeah,
You're a
you're a
Gorgina.
Gorgina. Like,
Perpetually a Gorgina.
Perpetually,
Already.
yeah.
then there is a soft launch. विच इज अगर आप किसी को डेट कर रहे हो और आपको अपने इंस्टाग्राम को, अपने सोशल मीडिया को बताना है कि आप डेट कर रहे हो, बट आपको शक्ल नहीं रिवील
आप सिर्फ हाथ दिखा रहे हैं, अंगूठी दिखा रहे हैं, राइट? देखा, मुझे पता था ये
रॉकेट है फटने वाला है। अभी सॉफ्ट लॉन्चिंग हो रही है। इसके बाद श्री हरिकोटा भेजा जाएगा इसको हार्ड लॉन्चिंग के लिए।
हार्ड लॉन्चिंग इज सीधा शादी पिक्चर्स,
It's the
like
It's
nobody
the
knows
ring.
you were dating and
Yeah.
शादी photos.
yeah.
That's
So first is the hand, and then secondly it's just the ring.
Yeah.
Directly.
ठीक है, तो ये सारे वर्ड्स यूज करना है आपको। और कुछ आते हैं वर्ड्स जेनजी, तो आप वो भी यूज कर
आई
सकते
थिंक
हो।
हम ऑलरेडी यूज कर चुके हैं इनको।
I'm giving you a hook now, okay? And you have to start like you have to talk like
Can
you're a
this be a
journalist.
group activity?
Yeah, group.
Okay.
It's a
alright.
group thing. ये लड़की डेलुलू होने की सारी हदें पार कर चुकी है और ये बार बार सिचुएशनशिप्स का शिकार हो रही है।
पहले ये लड़की
ये लड़की will the डेलुलू गर्ल is Shreya, okay?
नहीं आराम से बोलो।
Delulu. You know what Delulu is?
द लूलू।
The Delulu. Delulu is the only Salulu.
आई एम डन विद दिस। आई एम सॉरी यार, एक इसको स्पेल करो पहले तो कि
Delulu.
दलूलू।
Delulu is the only true Salulu. Yeah.
What is Salulu?
The solution being delusional.
Oh,
is the
अच्छा,
only
okay.
solution.
Yeah, okay.
Right?
Delusional.
Delusional for every Salulu.
या तो हम डिलुलू तब बोलते हैं कि वो देखो नहीं
Delusional है।
Why are you being delulu about it?
हाँ.
Basically delusional. Somebody who's delusional, okay?
Delusional.
Okay, understood.
I'm the Delulu
Yeah.
girl, and
And you all have to report on her like there's a newsroom debate happening. You can also give your arguments that why are you delulu, etc.
I'll quit my job as a chief editor of Josh now. At this same point.
because
Yeah.
नमस्कार, मैं दीपांकर सान्याल, मैं नौकरी छोड़ रहा हूँ
क्योंकि ये Delulu
क्योंकि
girl
मुझे डुलुलू आया है कि एक न्यूज रूम में डुलुलू आया, उसका मुझे सुलुलू नहीं मिल रहा है।
But you got it.
You're absolutely right.
But can you imagine the Bhagar Salia?
And he's very pooky also. Sorry, very spooky. And I am very pookish.
We have to do this. We have to do this.
God.
Power through.
Yes.
Okay, what is that line?
ये लड़की डिलुलू है
हाँ.
और डिलुलू होने की सारी हदें पार कर चुकी है, जिस वजह से ये बार बार सिचुएशनशिप्स का शिकार हो रही है। सिचुएशनशिप्स की वो रिलेशनशिप तक पहुंच ही नहीं पा
मैंने
रही।
अपनी तरफ से बोल दिया जो बोला। इसके अलावा मुझसे उम्मीद मत करना मैं कुछ और।
अभी ऐसा है कि वो हंसी नहीं रुक रही है, कैसे बोलूं?
Oh my God! Listen, you found the wrong people
Yeah.
to play this game.
तो मुझे कहना पड़ेगा कि यार तो नहीं बोल सकती मैं
Take two.
कि मुझे कहना पड़ेगा कि ये आज की न्यूज में मुझे कहना है कि राधा इतनी डिलुलू हो चुकी है कि
मैं हूँ अमीना कुरैशी, आवाज भारती की चीफ एडिटर। मैं अपनी जॉब छोड़ रही हूँ। मैं कुछ और काम ढूंढूंगी।
मैं हूं अमीना कुरैशी, आवाज भारती की चीफ एडिटर, और मैं ये कहना चाहती हूं कि राधा आज से यहाँ काम नहीं करती क्योंकि वो इतनी डिलुलू हो चुकी है कि वो इतने सिचुएशनशिप्स में हाँ
रेड फ्लैग
Pink flag हो गई वो।
के साथ रह के सिचुएशनशिप्स में
वन सेकेंड
हाँ
मैं अमीना भारती मैं अमीना डिलुलू भारती हो चुकी हूँ।
I'm dead.
ये डिलुलू हो चुकी है।
मैं अमीना डिलुलू भारती
This team is a mess. I just have to say this to
Okay, next
Anita
word.
right now.
Next one.
Next hook.
Okay, let's move on from the Gen Z words
Please.
because that's okay.
मैं अमीना कुरैशी
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ दीपांकर सान्याल और राधा भार्गव इतनी डिलुलू हो चुकी हैं।
They can't.
नहीं अगली लाइन याद आएगी मुझे। डिलुलू हो चुकी हैं कि
सिचुएशनशिप्स का शिकार हो
नहीं,
रहा
उसके
है।
पहले भी कुछ है।
सारी हदें पार कर
हाँ, डिलुलू होने की सारी हदें पार गई। नमस्कार, मैं हूँ दीपांकर सान्याल और मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि राधा भार्गव डिलुलू होने की सारी हदें पार कर चुके हैं और इन पार की हदों में वो सिचुएशनशिप का शिकार हो गया कि
You had to use the words.
कर तो दिया सिचुएशनशिप।
That was not the game, but it's okay. Moving on.
मैं हूं अमीना कुरैशी और मैं आवाज भारती से रिजाइन कर रही हूं क्योंकि राधा भार्गव इतनी डिलुलू हो चुकी है क्योंकि वो सारी हदें पार करके सिचुएशनशिप्स का शिकार बन चुकी है, समथिंग लाइक दैट।
was when the
It
game
was very bad.
This was-
अभी भी गेम
this
समझ में
was-
नहीं आ रहा है अभी भी
Okay.
कह रही है
We're not going to play the game, but the game was that the words she read out earlier,
Soft
we
launch
had
lollipop.
to use those words while describing this headline, which is not going to happen.
नहीं।
Oh, okay.
On.
Okay. Let's do it.
ये तो
मैं-
मतलब इतना
हाँ,
आसान है हो ही नहीं
इतना
पाएगा
आसान है ये कि
She's like, I've come to the wrong place.
मैं हूँ अमीना
कौन है ये
कुरैशी, एडिटर ऑफ आवाज भारती, और मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि राधा भार्गव इतनी डिलुलु हो चुकी है कि वो उसको लगता है दीपांकर सानिया गर्ली पॉप है, गॉर्जिना है, और क्या है और पूकी है, दैट वो इतनी इस बारे में डिलुलु हो चुकी है, सब डिलुलु होने की हदें पार कर चुकी है, और इसी वजह से वो ऐसे ऐसे भयानक सिचुएशनशिप्स में अटक के बिल्कुल मतलब मुझे ज़ॉम्बिंग कर रही है वो. कैन यू बिलीव इट?
Yay!
Did I do it?
Perfect. Yes. Your answer slapped.
Woo!
Finally as a team we won.
Yeah.
I just
One.
want to acknowledge this collective mess that has happened here, which is hilarious. Yeah.
Hilarious.
I took one for the team.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Wrapping up, coming to the
She's like, I want to end this interview. These
Oh, I have a question for you.
hopeless real life.
I have a question for you. Have you ever laughed so much while doing an
No, I
interview?
haven't.
And what would you call that in the Gen Z language?
Uh,
चलो उनको भी नहीं समझ.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead.
This was hilarious.
I
I'm
would
dead.
say diseased.
This was hilarious. I'm dead.
Hilarious.
Hilarious. Yeah.
Okay.
उससे पहले क्या था लायरा
Delulu.
नहीं लेरा
लेरा।
लायरा कुछ था ना
Slayra.
Slay.
Slay.
era.
Slay.
Girl era. That's what we had
Slay
said.
era.
Slay era.
ओ
Lyra.
Okay. Coming back quickly. Shreya, you have such iconic parents.
Yes.
Have you ever wanted to work with them together? Like let's all of us three do a movie together.
Actually, I think it would be so amazing. I mean, it would be incredible to work with the two of them together. I've worked with I individually in like a short film and with Papa as well. But together, I feel like it would be iconic to have all the three Pilgaukers together.
True.
Yeah.
We would love to watch it. You spoke about doing some roles only for the paycheck.
Mhm.
Are there any roles that you have? Like, do you want to name roles that you've done only for the paycheck?
Most of them actually. When I started with, that was the only reason. I never thought I would be an actor. So most of them were for that. But I think that's my second coming now, in that second innings that I'm coming back with, is that where I work and do things that I feel like doing without any of those compulsions. It's me time, as I would love to call it. I don't know what the me time in Gen Z language is.
Fine. Me
Yeah.
Me
So,
time.
okay. It's self-love time. It's me time.
Hashtag.
So I do work that I like doing now.
Okay. And so, Karina said that she felt faltu looking at you act. You told about the.
She felt?
She felt faltu looking at you act.
फालतू
Yeah.
Faltu, not paltu.
नहीं फालतू मतलब
Faltu. She said that she felt faltu looking at you act. in
ओ
Talena.
अच्छा दैट वे
Yeah, and that you also told us that Shah Rukh sir also called you and like time hai kya the free thing. Have there been other incidents like? Sorry. It's okay.
She thought Karina was faltu.
आप बहुत क्यूट हो पर पता है आपको
You made us laugh so much.
Sir, Pookie bolo.
Pookie or a Pookie?
क्या बोलूं?
Georgina and
यू आर द जॉर्जिनियन
Georgina, not Georgina. Georgina, sorry.
ओए सवाल पूछ रहे तो मेरा सवाल आ रहा है
सवाल है उनका हाथ. But sir,
I need tissue.
Oh no.
टिश्यू देना है
Oh my god.
हाँ जी
so even as I rank you up, what are your reactions? What are your friends and family's reactions? Because they always like हम घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर होती है ना कि अरे हाँ ठीक है काम पे तू जा रहा है हाँ ठीक है तू. So when they read about this or you tell them this, what is their reaction? Friends
वही
and family.
घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर उनको कोई खास वो नहीं अब मैं ज्यादा उसमें रहता हूँ और मैं जैसे शाहरुख सर ने बोल दिया था वो सब फोन वोन किया तो मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए ऐसा था कि ओ एक सेकंड कुछ हुआ है बट वो हाँ वेरी गुड स्पेशली मॉम डैड तो अच्छा ठीक है बेटा करते रहो अच्छे से काम
Can I get a tissue, please?
Ma'am here has cried. She, yeah.
I have laughed so much that I've cried. Oh my God. Thank you.
इसका कुछ टर्म हो सकती है.
What do you think?
What is
In Gen Z, what would you
Uh,
call
वो
this?
कहता है ROFL.
No, yeah.
ROFL.
वो millennial है. वो अभी
अच्छा वो पुराना हो चुका है.
पुराना हो चुका है. ROFL.
Oh shit.
Ready? वो चला गया. Now you have to say I'm dead. That's it. Hi, I'm Shriya Pilgaonkar,
I'm Sonali Bendre
I'm Jerry Pahlav
and please watch The Broken News Season 2.
on Z5.
on 3rd May.
Okay.
And you're watching this on iDiva.
Thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.